Okay, I'm going to show you a trick that I saw on Facebook. It was by Alton Brown. How to clean out your cast iron is get some kosher salt. I got more than enough. And pour the salt in your pan. And then take a paper towel. I got these shop paper towels because they're hardier and they don't rip as easy. Let's take a couple of these. See if this works. Well, the Yuko spork didn't come as clean, but I can live with that. Just take your paper towel, and the abrasiveness of the salt will pick up will scrape up all the junk in the pan. See, the paper towel is not ripping up as much as like a white, like a brawny or something like that. I probably should have done this when the pan was warm. It probably would have cleaned up a lot easier. Yeah, it probably had to have been warm. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put it in the fire and I'm going to warm it up. I think all that beef fat. And then try it again here in a minute. Alrighty, round two. What I ended up doing is I put it in the fire to heat it up a little bit, and I used a stick just to scrape all the big chunks off. See if I can get the rest. I'm not really worried about the seasoning because the first thing I'm going to cook tomorrow morning is, well, more bacon. Seriously? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Not bad for some salt and a blue paper towel. It's not perfect, but it'll cook bacon tomorrow morning. Sweet. Nice. Ugh.